In this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a revolved and stack commercial building. First of all, we have to make the rotate rectangle or rectangle with using the to draw the any size of the base plane or the basic 3D model plane in this SketchUp to make the to facilitate us for making the floor plan schematic in this video. Okay, first of all, we have to make the any size of rotate rectangle. Click this rotate rectangle, then we can click from the any size and click direct to the another position around 38 meter, for example. Then we can click to this, we can direct to the front around 25 meter approximately, or we can make it to longer. We can make it longer, okay, approximately just like this. And okay, then we can make the thickness of for this slab and push it up around 1 meter. Double click, make group. Okay, then we can select move, press Ctrl, and we can rotate it to this position. We can rotate this one to this position approximately. Okay, we can click this object and select move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Then we can move it up around 3.6 meter for the floor to ceiling position. Okay, then we can select move, press Ctrl. We can select move, place to this position. Then we can select move, press Ctrl, place to this position. Then we can move it up around 3.6 meter for the floor to ceiling distance. And we can select move again and place to this position. And okay, we can get this one. And now we can make it group. Right click, make group. We can select move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Okay, so we can get this one. Okay, we can get this point. Okay, so we can get the meshing building just like this. Now now we can set the elevation. We can move this one to this position. Okay, we can move this one to this position, and we can also change this length of the slab, make unique, and push it. I'm sorry. Okay, we can select all and right click. Okay, we have to push it until this position, and also this one. Okay, and also this one. Okay, and we can also push it until this position. Okay, and then we can place to this position. Okay, so then we can push this one to the front, push this one to the another side. Okay, now we can make the another elements. So in this video, I only focus on the meshing building and the facade building for schematic. So for the column or structural composition, you can discuss, you can consult with your structural engineer anyway. Okay, and then I will continue to make the glazing. Okay, we can make the glazing with using rotate rectangle. Then we can push it to the front around 150 millimeter and click this one and delete this center plane, and we have to place to this position and double click and make group. Okay, and now we can select the rotate rectangle again. We can select the rotate rectangle again, click from this position until this position. Then we can select this plane and offset it outside around 150 millimeter. Click this plane, right click and erase, and click this little plane, and sorry, we can move to this position. Okay, double click and make group. Okay, then we can select rotate rectangle and place from this position, and this position. Okay, we can triple click this plane, offset it outside around 150 millimeter, and click this plane, right click erase, and push it until this position. We can double click and make group, and now we can change the style. We can make this one. Then we can select the glass. Then we can select the blue glass here. Okay, and now we can also make another variation. We can make another variation of it. We can using the line. We can draw the line in this position, maybe for example this position, or maybe we can make it glazing first, and then we can continue to make another secondary skin in here. Click line, click this position, and click for this position with using the line. Click this corner and click this corner. Then we can push it to the front just a little bit. Triple click and make group, and we can click this one, make a rectangle in here. Okay, then we can make group. Okay, then we can using the line start from this corner, this position, and this position. Okay, then we can push it to the front again. Triple click and make group, and also this one. Okay, we can use using the line. Okay, we can click from this position. We can click from this point. I'm sorry, we have using this line. Click from this point, this position, and this position, and also this position. Then we can push it to the front just a little bit, make group, and click the line again. Sorry, we can click the line. Okay, we can click to this position. Okay, then we can push it to the front, triple click and make group. Okay, now we can change the materials. We can using the metal. Okay, we can using the metal, and also this one. Okay, we can using the metal material in here. So we can change the metal. Okay, we can change the metal color like that, and we can also change the glazing system. Okay, or we can make the clear. Okay, now we can make another landscaping element. We can using the freehand tool in here. You can draw it to this position. You can draw it to this point and to this area, and you can draw to this area also, and also this area. Okay, you can also draw in this position. Okay, now you can change the materials of the landscape with using grass area, and you can change the pavement with using this one. Okay, then you can add the components with using component tools, and you can select the tree. Okay, you can select the tree, and you can select the materials. You can select the green glass materials in here. So you can make a movement and duplicate for the tree positioning over there with move and press control. Okay, so you can make the perfect placement of the tree. You can make the perfect placement. Okay, and then you can set the shadow. It's like this, and you can also change the shadow style. Okay, you can change the shadow orientation. For example, in this position, and you can change the style. to be this style, or you can use this style. It's depend on you anyway. Okay, I will use it to make it more highlighted, and or you can also change the material, the black material, to the another materials like red color or many more. You can change this one. Sorry, you can click this one and you can select the another materials like orange material to make it more highlighted. Okay. Okay, I mean it was impressive enough. Okay, so you can explore more about the structural system. You can explore about this landscape and many more things in this design. You can explore about the interior maybe and many more. Thanks for watching. Just wait for my next video. Thank you.